Abby.
Hi.
Hi.
Can
Are you excited about the snow?
Yeah, can we get dressed and just measure it?
Oh my goodness, look. What's Daddy doing? Look, he's got Diesel with him.
I wish I could go out.
Snowopocalypse, y'all. Hey, hon. Hey, Diesel. Hi, buddy. Hi. Is you having fun out there? Oh my God, it's like...
Hi.
This is crazy. Is it really like...
This is only half of it.
What?
It's already 12 to 14 inches on the ground.
How
That's why I'm out here shoveling.
much later is it? How much more is it going to snow?
Till 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.
What? This is crazy. It's Snowopocalypse. You should
They said
Mark,
24 inches.
her
Easy.
her reaction. Oh my God. She looked out the window and then she looked at me and she went, "Oh, look out the window." it was so cute. It was her face.
The Christmas decorations, the reindeer and the snowman were down.
They're very, aren't
Yeah.
they?
No, the reindeer was really down. It was up to her neck.
Yeah. I really wasn't expecting 12 inches by now.
Oh
I
my
wasn't at all.
Oh my gosh.
I thought maybe
This is
6
crazy.
to 8 tops.
Well, you know what? Abby, you're going to be our weather girl today, right?
Yeah.
And you're going to start measuring from the time you wake up. So right now,
We gotta find a measuring
got to
tape.
get a measuring. And I think there's about 12
Oh,
inches
I
out
need a boot and a jacket. Oh,
She has a
I need a
snowsuit,
cover.
by the way, right here in between the washer and dryer. There's a snowsuit.
there. Yeah. Let's got to find her
But you should
boots.
find the boots. We gotta
Okay.
find her boots. They're either in the closet, in her closet,
Excuse me.
or
Getting
in between here somewhere.
cold.
Hey, Diesel. Hey, buddy. How's Diesel been?
Oh, you should have seen him. He was running all over
Oh, please tell me you got his
through the
reaction.
woods. No, I didn't get his reaction.
Oh.
It's freaking cold out here. Freaking
Oh
whipping
my
up
God,
wind.
look at the ground.
He had to walk
I
around
know.
for about 10 minutes before he found a spot low enough for him to take a shit. Oh, sorry.
Diesel made footprints in here.
That's all right.